Howdy. We're gonna be grown-ups and pretend there isn't a blanket on my head to block the light. Okay, now that we're past that. Howdy. I'm Natasha Arroyo, formerly Shadow of Screamworks Productions. I used to be the performance director for the Conover Mystery Ranch, located in Hollister, California. I wish I were here to confirm that we would be saying yes to another season as Conover. However, I can't at this point. Because of several reasons, we've had to say goodbye to our beloved haunt that's been running for approximately 12 years in the Hollister area. It's been a great run. Some of us spent our childhoods there. Some of us were here long enough to bring our kids there. And some of us were just getting started. In honor of our crew and the abrupt nature of this message, several of us older haunters wish to throw a party, a get-together, to celebrate the many seasons we've put our blood, sweat, and tears into this haunted house, which for a lot of us became a second home. The Conover Mystery Ranch has given us all a bunch, whether it be as a customer or as a volunteer. The ranch gave our local quiet Hollister area entertainment and scares for the local community. And to our volunteers and people who were a part of it, it started businesses, friendships, positive influence, acceptance, and most of all, a family. Now the party details are vague, but we are shooting for later in July before everyone starts going back to school. And I will keep you updated with the specific details. Currently, my fiance, my sister, and I have accumulated several things for prizes and set aside money for food, but we have had to pull out of our personal savings and our wedding fund to do so. And I'm not asking for money, but we need your help to give our volunteers the rewards they deserve. We're asking for donations. Things you can donate that we're looking for include posters, movies, gift cards, props, costumes, art, anything of the horror Halloween variety that we can give them. Just know that any little bit helps. And even if you can't contribute yourself, please share, reblog, retweet, and signal boost in any way you guys can. Happy haunting!